CompTIA, Tech Plus, FC0-U71, Practice Exam. Questions 41 through 45. This video is part of our practice exam video series, and is filled with questions that closely resemble the real exam. So are you prepared to test your knowledge? Great, let's begin. Question 41. A student wants to build a simple, static web page that displays text and images but does not require interactive features. Which of the following language types should the student use? The answer is C. Markup. A markup language structures and presents information by surrounding content with tags that define its meaning or format. HTML, one of the most widely used markup languages, applies this concept to web pages by organizing text, images, and links so they display correctly in a browser. Because markup is intended for structuring content, it is the best choice for creating simple, static web pages that do not require interactive features. Question 42. An employee is working with a company database and needs to pull up specific records, such as all customers from a certain city. Which of the following should the employee use? The answer is D. Query. A query is a request for specific information from a database. It enables users to filter, search, and retrieve only the records that meet certain criteria, such as names, dates, or locations. Queries can be simple, like finding all employees in one department, or complex, combining multiple conditions to refine results. They are a core feature of database systems because they make it possible to efficiently extract meaningful information from large sets of stored data and turn raw data into useful insights. Question 43. A project team needs to store shared data in a way that everyone can access it reliably from different locations. Which of the following is the best option to ensure high availability of the data? The answer is B. Cloud storage. Cloud storage is the best option for enabling high availability of project data because it allows multiple users to access and update files from anywhere with an internet connection. Data stored in the cloud is typically replicated across servers, reducing the risk of data loss and downtime. This makes it especially effective for collaboration, since team members can work on the same project files in real time without worrying about availability. Question 44. An IT administrator wants to create several virtual machines on a single workstation to test different operating systems. Which of the following best describes the technology that makes this possible? The answer is D. Hypervisor. A hypervisor is the virtualization technology that allows multiple virtual machines to run on the same physical workstation. Each virtual machine has its own guest operating system, which is installed and runs independently as if it were on separate hardware. The hypervisor manages how system resources like CPU, memory, and storage are shared among these guest OS environments. This makes it possible to test, develop, or operate multiple operating systems on a single computer. Question 45. While typing a message on a smartphone, a user notices that the predictive text feature suggests words to help complete sentences more quickly. Which of the following technologies is being used for this feature? The answer is C. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, powers predictive text by analyzing patterns in language and a user's typing habits to suggest the most likely next words. Over time, the AI adapts to the user's style, improving the accuracy of its predictions. This makes typing faster, more efficient, and more personalized across smartphones, messaging apps, and email platforms. So, did any of these questions give you a tough time? Don't worry if they did. It's all part of the learning process. Luckily, Certification Cynergy has a wealth of free video content at your disposal. To stay connected with our latest IT learning resources, just give a quick click on the subscribe button. This simple action ensures you are always updated about our newest video releases. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.